Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and in today's mail I got my Echo Park warehouse box. I'm super excited to open this on camera and show you all that I got. I hope you'll stick around. Hey guys, like my intro said, I am going to be unboxing my Echo Park Paper Company warehouse box. I found out last weekend on their Instagram channel that the new box was going to be available starting Wednesday, so I hopped right on that. It was $50 for $200 worth of product is what they say. And to ship it to myself, I did go ahead and upgrade to the 2-day shipping because regular ground was like $14.50 and 2-day shipping was like a little over $15. So I definitely wanted to get it as quick as possible. So I paid the upcharge. As of the time of me recording this video, they do still have boxes available for sale. So I'm going to link the warehouse box page below if you want to go check that out and see if you can still snag yourself one. Now, I don't always buy warehouse boxes unless I really like the company. Like last year, I purchased one from Simple Stories and I loved everything I got. I will link that video in the description box below and I'll pop it in the upper right hand corner now. So if you want to go check that out. So here's my box. It is pretty big. I would say like 16 by 16 by 6 inches deep. I had already pre-opened it. I have not seen what's in here though. It looks pretty full of goodies. I'm actually going to put this on the ground and I'll kind of pull things out and share with you what I got. The first things I pulled out, there are 2 stamp sets in there. Both of them are summer related, so it's pretty timely with summer coming up. That's nice. This first one here, it is called Beach Day stamp set. This second one, it is called I Love Sunshine. There's a whole bunch of embellishment goodies to show you. This first item is some washi tape. It is different colored stripes and it is from the Deck the Halls line. Again with a summer theme. This is from Good Day Sunshine, the decorative brads. Not only do they have the brads, but there are some cute chipboard sticker shapes that go with that. I have some paper bows from the Cabin Fever line. So hopefully I'll get some Cabin Fever paper, so I have something to go with this. There are 8 bows here. Here is a sheet of rub-ons from A Very Merry Christmas. Not really my style, but hopefully I'll be able to use them on something. Some more from the Cabin Fever line, so from those bows. I got adhesive enamel shapes, so those will be fun. You'll be able to see through some of the snowflakes. Layered stickers from the Once Upon a Time line. Some of this kind of reminds me like that crest of Harry Potter. Looks like I have 2 mini paper fans packages. This one's from Wedded Bliss and this one is Summer Dreams. These are cute. Oh, I like the little watermelon one. Looks like I have one more package of the decorative pattern bows. These are from the Hello Fall. I might actually own this collection, so these will come in handy next season. And then I got 2 of the patterned paper clip bows. So basically the same thing on gold paper clips. These are from the Rockabye Baby and Celebrate Easter. And this Celebrate Easter line is one of my all-time favorites, so that is exciting. I think I still have a little bit from last year if I don't get any this year, and again, pretty timely with Easter coming up. And last but maybe not least on the embellishments is the chipboard phrases from Good Day Sunshine. These went with the brads that also had some chipboard shapes. Very cute. I love the mason jar. I think most of what is left in the box is paper, so I wanted to pull these out before I get started on the paper. Here I have 2 stencils. I have really been wanting to try out stencils lately, so I'm glad I got some that I didn't have to necessarily pay full price for. I'm super excited about this one. Again, it's from that Easter line that I told you was one of my favorites, and there are little bunnies in there. So cute. And then this one was some little sailboats. Okay, so I was wrong. I was not done with embellishments yet. I found this washi underneath the paper. It is from, well, it just says decorative tape silhouettes. It is pink, and then there are little girl silhouettes in there. I did notice I got some cut apart sheets, and they have probably seen better days. I kind of wish they would have put these in some kind of packaging maybe, because I just found these all over the box. So I will try to show these to you. I love punch outs, don't get me wrong, but see, like this tag, it got way crunched there. And you know, I know stuff happens in shipping, but I think it would have been nice if they would have put it in a plastic bag. So this first one, I don't see a specific product line name on it, but it is Christmas themed. They're all pretty cute, but again, just a little sad that, you know, some got ruined. This next one is fall. I love fall items. Again, a little worse for the wear here. Really cute. You know, I like the little postcard up here. More tags and banners. And this is, I think, my last sheet of cut aparts here. This one is family theme. And then it looks like I have just some loose pieces of paper. I really think they could have probably put this all in a plastic thing. These are from... This Gears one is from All About a Boy. This is just a Style Essentials. And then here's one from Magical Adventure, which is, I think, their version of like a Disney kit. For little pads, I got a 6x6 Country Kitchen. I do not have this pad, and I'm not sure that I've ever even seen this line, so that's exciting. I'll flip through it here quickly so you can see the pages. Would be nice maybe for a recipe album. This is a Dots and Stripe 8x8 pad. This was the spring one. Speaking of dots and stripes, I have the 12x12 Valentine Collection Kit. So you can see down here it's in pinks, reds, and then kind of black and gray. Another dots and stripes. This one is a silver foil. So you have different colored backgrounds, craft, a couple shades of pink, a blue, and a couple shades of green. And then on the one side there are silver foil stripes. I like that. I really like anything that's foiled. Here is a 12x12 kit. This is the Old World Travel line. I have never seen this, probably not my style. I will probably gift this to somebody who it is their style. But I do like to buy these kits often. I go to Tuesday Morning a lot and look, because with the cut apart pages, I like to make cards, and then the coordinating patterns make great backgrounds. And then there's also always like a punch out or sticker sheet that you could add to the cards. So next up is one of their kind of Disney themed kits, Magic and Wonder. Definitely, I will put this to use. We have taken a couple vacations to Disney, and maybe I can even make some cute cards out of some of the cut apart cards down here. Next up is Dino Friends. Again, probably not one I would buy. I only have one daughter. This seems kind of boyish to me. Might be something I give away to a friend. And last but not least is Christmas Delivery. Now this is my style here. I will really put this to use at the end of the year. Christmas themed cards or projects, you know, traveler's notebooks or scrapbook pages. I love the little truck here. I got one for Christmas this past year with the truck, but I think it was actually like a spring market theme. So overall, I think I got my $50 worth out of it. Not everything is my style, and I kind of knew that going into it. If you have ever bought a warehouse box, let me know about it below. Did you like it? Did you think it was worth it? And again, I hope that if you did enjoy this, you will go check out to see if they're still selling them. Until my next video, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.